Kingston College is represented this evening by Team Captain Jaquan Martin, Eviko Bryan, Nikolai Downer, and William Hibbert. While Maggotty High is represented by Team Captain Tajani Brown, Chrisany Vassell, Kamaya Campbell, and Kamal Gray. Only one of these teams will move on to round 3. Hello and welcome back. Welcome to the second match in tonight's doubleheader of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Kingston College won and decided to go first. So gentlemen, we begin with you. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have the time on the clock. So we'll begin right away. Kingston College with French. What number is 91?
91. 91.
Good. French from Maggotty. What number is 83?
92.
No, it's 83. International Affairs for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Gentlemen, identify this person, please.
John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama.
Mahama, President of Ghana, is correct. International Affairs for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Bola Tinubu.
Bola Tinubu.
Correct. President of Nigeria. Principles of Business. KC. What term is defined as a systematic analysis of a proposed business venture to determine its viability and potential for success?
Feasibility study.
Feasibility study.
That's right. Principles of Business for Maggotty. What is the name for a written document that outlines a company's goals and strategies along with the day-to-day operations that will allow the business to achieve its goals?
Business plan.
Business plan.
That's right. Bible knowledge. Kingston College. After his resurrection, how long did Jesus remain on earth before being taken up to heaven?
40 days.
40 days.
That's right. Bible knowledge from Maggotty. Which disciple said he would not believe Jesus had been risen unless he saw the nail prints in his hand?
Thomas.
Thomas.
Doubting Thomas. Correct. Music and audio one for KC. Listen to the following clip. Identify this artist.
Don't ever be afraid to dance.
Ding dong.
No, it's Papa San. Step on the enemy. Music from Maggotty. Listen to the following clip. Identify this artist.
The time went by. Sin plus sin equal more sin. Sin plus the blood of Jesus will not equal to
DJ Nicholas.
That's right. Divine mathematics. Biology. Kingston College. What is the name of the tube that runs from the external ear or auricle to the eardrum in humans?
Auditory canal.
Auditory canal.
That's right. Biology for Maggotty. When bones in the human's middle ear amplify the sound vibrations, to which specific part in the ear do these vibrations go?
Cochlea.
Cochlea is correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actor.
Jim Cliff. Carl Bradshaw.
Carl Bradshaw.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actor, please.
Paul Campbell.
That's right. English language, Kingston College. Spell the singular form of the word curricula.
Curriculum. CURRICULUM.
Good. English language, Maggotty. Spell the singular form of the word Loki. Spell that's L-O-C-I. Singular form.
LOCUS.
Correct. Sport or visual for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Thomas Hearns. Okay.
Thomas Hearns.
That's right. Sport for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Larry
Holmes.
No, it's Marvin Hagler, both boxing champions, former boxing champions. General knowledge, Kingston College. The luxury fashion house Chanel was started in which European city?
Paris.
Correct. General knowledge from Maggotty. Prada is an Italian luxury fashion brand founded in which city?
City. Next one.
Rome.
No, it's in Milan. Geography, and that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Kingston College taking the early lead on 9 points, Maggotty High in the game on 7 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.